I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
Hey Jazzy Doll Gang, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be a maintenance vlog. We are headed into Venus Nails to get our nails and toes done for the cruise. So stay tuned if you want to see me get my maintenance done today. Good morning. Good, how are you? Yes, I need to get a full set and a toe polish.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby.
Secured. Something neutral. So cute. All right. Hey y'all. Let me turn my light up. Hey y'all. So I didn't record while I was getting my hair done. I had every intention to, but girl, we got to talking and we watched TV. The shows was on, okay, and the conversation was good. So this is my hair. I'm also gonna insert a video that I did that we made at her shop, but this is my hair, baby. I got the large knotless boho. I'm obsessed. Okay, get into it. Love, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love. They are tailbone length, so they hit right at the waist. They hit right at the waist. I'm obsessed. I love them. Da, 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 da. It's giving. It's 7 p.m. Friday in 95 degrees. 7 p.m. Friday in 95 degrees. Can't sing the red because they don't apply to me. Get it, you get it, you get it. Get into it. I love it. I'm obsessed. Such a pretty girl. Oh, my man calling. But anyway, so this is going to be the end of this maintenance vlog. Short and sweet. Only thing I got done was my nails, toes, and my hair. Everything else I did myself. You know, I don't get waxes and stuff like that. So, yeah. That's what it is. But, yeah. So, if you made it this far in the video, definitely thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like this video. And I would absolutely love for you to subscribe and join this channel. I love y'all. And until next time, bye.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile.